Hey YouTube. So today I received an item that I purchased at Chanel and want to open it together. Inside is the Chanel bag with the camellia sticker. And here it is, untying the ribbon, and this side too apparently. And there's a knot. Hold on. Oh, untie the knot. Put the camera down. Okay. There's the ribbon. It's a Chanel. Then inside there is plastic wrapping, and it's in tissue paper. Inside is more tissue paper, and then paper. Here's the little box that it comes in. And then I'm gonna untie the ribbon. Untie the ribbon. And let's undo this as well. Okay. Then here's all the ribbons. Put them together. And then inside it is the hold on one moment. It is the sticker. Inside there is a booklet plus receipts, care booklet. Then inside comes a Chanel pouch, and inside is a lambskin card holder that it has. But lambskin is so smooth. And then the CC logo, front pocket, the middle pocket, the middle pocket shows possibly the price was $4.25. It is so smooth. And let's look for the serial number. Wait. What is this? I don't know. Is this the new serial number? Let's look for the hologram one. This one's made in Spain. 2 back credit card pockets. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.